Dr. Nima here with another edition of Celebrity Noses. This is Florence Pugh. I received a request for this in the comments, so let's get into it. If you want to know more things rhinoplasty or see other celebrity noses, please let me know and hit the subscribe button on the right. So this is Florence Pugh. It's not a nose for everybody, and this would probably be a special request nose because it is a little bit more of an exaggerated nose and might be a little less natural looking than someone would want. So if you want a nose like this, it's best to talk to your plastic surgeon about it, about what your tastes are. So this is a nose that the reason why it's a special request is because I would say it's a little bit more aggressively reduced on the side. She has a pretty significant super tip break. So it comes down here, there's a break right there, and the tip starts, and it's a little bit upturned. And again, this probably fits her face really nicely, but it may not fit everybody's face nicely. So it's good to kind of bring these pictures in if it's what you're thinking, and you can discuss that with your plastic surgeon. Typically, this is done with, again, an aggressive removal of bone from the top, little tip sutures to shape the tip, as well as a narrowing of the nasal bone. So a very nice, feminine looking nose, but again with an exaggerated super tip and a slightly over reduced dorsum. Here's a nice 3/4 view, again showing that aggressive super tip break and the dorsum that's been removed as well. The nose looks a little upturned, but again doesn't look completely unnatural on someone like her. And I'm not saying she's had a rhinoplasty. I don't know. She could have been born with this nose. I'm just going over the fact of people coming in, and if they show me a nose like this during a consultation, it's best to discuss it. Her frontal view is nice and thin, symmetrical right in the middle. You can see the little bit of shadowing right here. This corresponds to the super tip break. So you see like a highlight in the middle of the nose right here as we go down, and then a little bit of shadowing and a nice cute tip that's pretty narrow on frontal view. So again, this would be a special request nose, and it might look like an operated nose on most people, or it could look natural on you if it fits your face properly. So if you have any questions, I'd love to know them in the comments below.